Welcome. If you've ever wished you could write an email now and have it sent later, you're in the right place. Today, you'll learn how to schedule an email right from the Gmail app, updated for 2025. This feature is perfect for sending reminders, birthday wishes, or professional emails at the exact time you want, even if you're not online. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to use. Once you're in, tap the Compose button, usually found in the bottom right corner. This opens up a new email draft. Now write your email as you normally would. Add your recipient's email address, type out your subject, and fill in your message. You can even add attachments or images if you need to. Once your email is ready, look for the three-dot menu icon, usually at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open more options. From the menu, select Schedule Send. A new window will pop up showing you a few preset times like tomorrow morning or Monday afternoon. If one of these works for you, just tap it. But if you want to pick a specific date and time, tap Pick Date and Time. Here, you can choose the exact day and hour you want your email to be sent. Once you've made your selection, tap Save or Set depending on your device. Finally, review your choices and tap Schedule Send to confirm. That's it. Your email is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the time you picked. If you ever need to make changes, just go to your scheduled folder in Gmail, open the email, and update or cancel it. Scheduling emails on Gmail is that simple. Try it out the next time you want to stay ahead and never miss an important moment. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.